People get security, confiscated at cruise check-in every day. The worst part, they never get their stuff back. Today, I'm going to show you 11 things that are now banned on cruise ships in 2025, and some will shock you. Cruise lines, especially Carnival, Royal Caribbean, MSC, Norwegian, are now extremely tight on safety rules. New fire prevention laws, new lithium rules, and new behavior restrictions after too many TikTok clout chasers did dumb things at sea. So today I'm counting down 11 NEW things that are banned on cruise ships in 2025. Let's start at number 11. Number 11, hair straighteners with cheap coils. If your hair straightener is a cheap no-name brand and it doesn't have an automatic shutoff, a safety thermostat, or a CE/UL rating, security will take it. Why? Cruise ships treat unknown heating coils as high fire risk. Fire on a ship equals the most dangerous emergency at sea. Number 10, any drone without a prior permission. Cruise ships did allow drones for years. 2025, many lines now require pre-approved written approval. Random drones are banned. Why? Idiot tourists kept flying them over private island beaches, and too many near misses with helicopter shore excursions. Number 9, Starlink satellite dishes. People used to bring those small dish terminals to get Starlink internet in their cabin. 2025, fully banned. Why? Cruise ships now operate their own Starlink-based antennas. They don't want interference, rogue networks, VPN bypass, or hidden hotspot reselling. Number 8, Bluetooth speakers over 85 decibels. Small speakers are okay. Huge loud party speakers are confiscated. Why? Cruise lines are in a massive anti-noise movement because they're trying to kill the party in the hallway culture. There have been too many fights, too many neighbor complaints, too many drunks blasting music at 1 a.m. Number 7, anything with open flame. Many people still try to bring candles, oil lamps, incense sticks, hookah coals. These are all banned. Why? Fire risk again. Cruise ships are terrifyingly vulnerable to cabin fires. Number 6, electric pressure cookers/mini rice cookers on cruises that attract Asian, South Asian, Filipino, or big family groups. People love cooking rice in their cabin. Not anymore. Why? They pull too much wattage and have auto-boil elements that cannot be monitored by the ship's safety electrical system. Number 5, irons and clothing steamers. This one shocks new cruisers a lot. Why? People think it's just for my clothes. But these devices heat wire elements to glowing red. Cruise lines now provide dry cleaning and pressing service, or they have hosted ironing rooms on certain days. Number 4, non-approved extension cords and multi-type lugs. 2025, cruise lines will allow only ship-approved UL-certified surge protectors, the cheap ones you buy for hotels banned. Why? Those $5 extension cords are the #1 cause of cabin smolder fires. Number 3, hard alcohol. You bring yourself. Beer and wine may be allowed depending on the cruise, but liquor, fully banned unless bought on the ship. Why? They want bar revenue. That's the business model. A cruise ship is basically a floating duty-free mall. Number 2, CBD oil, CBD gummies, CBD vapes. Even if it's legal back home, even if it's non-psychoactive, CBD is considered cannabis-derived, and cruise ships dock in countries where CBD is a serious crime. They don't risk it. Number 1, any lithium device not factory certified. This is huge in 2025. Cruise lines are now blacklisting e-bike batteries, e-scooter batteries, power tool batteries, unbranded power banks, cheap Amazon lithium packs. Only factory certified branded power banks are allowed, and even then usually under 100 Wh. Why? Lithium battery runaway fires at sea have already sunk boats. Cruise ships are terrified of battery chemistry fires. Bonus NEW behavior BN going on restricted areas for TikTok. Cruise lines now have zero patience for the clout generation. People climbing lifeboats, opening crew doors, sneaking into maintenance rooms, going to the bow of the ship on forbidden decks. Cruise lines now officially ban and instantly disembark passengers who enter secured zones for social media. You're offloaded at the next port. No refund, no appeal. Outro. So those are 11 things banned on cruise ships in 2025. Some of them are obvious, some of them are shocking, but all of them will get confiscated. Here's the rule now. If it produces heat, fire, high watt power, wireless interference, or viral drama, it's banned. Before your cruise, recheck your packing list. Alright, now you tell me in the comments, which one surprised you the most? Also, if you want, I can make a video next where I show you 10 genius things you should bring that cruise lines actually allow, but most people don't know. So, comment yes if you want that video. And if you found this helpful, hit like to help more cruisers avoid losing their stuff at security. And subscribe so you always know the real rules before you sail.